Long ago, in the golden age of empires and wisdom, there lived a mighty king, proud, powerful, and feared by all. His kingdom flourished, his armies were vast, and his ego even larger. But one man in his court was never impressed: the great teacher and strategist Chanakya. Chanakya, you speak of wisdom all day. Tell me, can your wisdom match the glory of my power? Chanakya smiled and said, Your Majesty, power shines, but only when there are no cracks beneath it. The king was confused. He said, Cracks? What do you mean by cracks? Next day, Chanakya came to the court with 2 pots. One was polished, painted with golden color, and shined brightly in the sun. The other was plain and rough. Chanakya said, Your Majesty, both are made of clay. One is painted with golden color, and the other one is unpainted and rough. Tell me, Your Majesty, which one looks more beautiful and is stronger as per you? The king proudly pointing to the shiny pot and said, The polished one, of course. Chanakya nodded and said, Let's see. Chanakya strikes both pots lightly. The shiny one cracks instantly. The rough one remains intact. Chanakya said, Maharaj, pride is like that paint. It hides the cracks, but doesn't fix them. King looks at the broken pot and realizes that your pride may be like the gold paint, shiny and beautiful, but it may hide your cracks. True strength lies in knowing your flaws, not hiding them. Moral: the one who accepts his weaknesses can conquer them. The one who denies them will be destroyed by them. Fix your cracks before pride hides them.